Azubike, you know I don't like trouble. You know I'm a very sober person. I don't like issues. All I am asking is that you take this woman, take her out of my house, rent somewhere else for her to stay. That is all I am asking. Biko.
Madam, I'm ready to go if you want me to go, as long as he is coming with me.
Or is he coming with you to where? Coming with commando. Coming where? Where is he coming to? My husband is going nowhere with you. My husband will not step out of this house with you.
Trust me, you don't want to do this.
I don't want to do what?
You really do not want to go down this route with me.
You will just die for nothing. My sister, you will just die for nothing. You will die like I will give you rat poison. You will die like a rat, I'm telling you.
You will get ready to die first.
Moi.
You will die first.
Me?
Yes.
Azubike. Azubike, tell this woman to leave my home in peace. That is all I'm asking. Look at this shameless thing. Look at this non-entity. You want to use your father's influence to come and occupy another woman's house. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Okay, now I can allow you insult anybody. In fact, I do not like my father. Everybody knows that, but you will not insult my father.
See, I will insult you. I will insult your father for giving birth to a stupid child like you.
You insult my father?
Because you don't have sense.
Azubike,
you don't have
advise your wife. Azubike, advise your wife. She will not like me.
Hey!
She will not like me.
Sister, I don't like you. It's
I don't talk.
Like you. I
don't talk. I act.
Leave my husband's house. That is all I am asking.
Baby, come closer, please.
Which baby?
I need to tell you something.
See. Oh, my mind,
baby, come closer. There's something I need to tell you.
Come closer to where?
Please.
Come closer. See, please. You this animal. Don't let me. Don't.
What will you do?
What will you do? You're asking me.
No, what will you do?
Oh, my mind.
If it doesn't want me, why did you want me here? Why did you bring me here?
Why did you bring me here?
Why did you bring me here?
You got here in the first place.
Why did you bring me here?
Why did you bring her here?
You must give me attention.
I want attention.
What dress?
She will not give anything. He said he will not even try it. I will leave him alone. Don't try it. Don't try it. Stand up.
Like they say, how you make your bed is how you lie on it. What you sow is what you reap. That's exactly what is happening to me.
Hey!
What?
What are you doing? What are you doing here?
What does it look like I'm doing here? What am I doing here? What will I be doing in the bedroom?
Listen to me. I don't have time for this foolishness. Go straight to the visitor's room.
So who is a visitor here? Me. I'm a visitor. A visitor in your house. I have your baby in here. I am no longer a visitor. Adjust, I beg.
Hey! What's going on here? You this little nitwit. Who opened the door for you? Oh! So you brought your shameless self to my bedroom to seduce my husband.
Seduce who? Seduce someone that has me. Madam, I beg, just tell her to go. It is my turn.
Hey, look, come on,
don't
I'm talking,
me.
you're climbing the bed. Are you mad? No! Are you mad? Okay, you want to fight? No, come.
Hey!
You want to fight, eh? No, you want to fight my husband. Okay, I'm not going to say the husband. You necklace.
See what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself. Before you do anything in life, you better think twice. Especially if someone will get hurt, think twice. Oh, think twice. Always.
Why is mom always fighting that auntie?
I don't know, but I believe I can handle things.
Oh, fine, Dad. Okay, Dad. Dad, please send that woman away. Please.
Send her away?
Yes. Oh, yeah, Dad. Look, we don't even know her. Please, we don't want her to hurt our mom. Please.
It's okay. I promise you I'll fix things.
Alright, thanks. Okay. You will fix things?
Yeah, I will.
You will fix things.
Okay, promise me, whenever you hear them scream at each other, go to your rooms and shut the door.
Why?
Because it's wrong for kids to watch people fight.
Why?
Because there's no answer to that.
Why?
It's time to go to bed. No more whys, okay?
Alright.
No more questions. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Let's go say our
Promise
prayers.
you're gonna fix things?
Hey, we say our prayers and go to bed, okay? Get up. Are you okay?
Okay, shall we pray here?
No.
So that
We'll go to your room and pray.
Alright,
Let's go. Kelvin, don't be stubborn.
Angoli, calm down. Please just calm down. As I'm speaking to you now, I'm even on the road. Yes, just calm down. This is serious. Eh? So that girl is not ashamed of herself. She should be ashamed of herself. Oh, okay, calm down. So what is your husband doing about this? What is he doing about this? What? Just calm down. I don't want you to do something to hurt yourself. Remember your children. Remember. Can you hear me? Just listen to me. Yes, I feel this is a time for you to speak to someone from his family. I mean, your mother-in-law or your sister-in-laws. What? Angoli, can you see yourself? Take a look at it. You're not even in good terms with your mother-in-law. No, now. Or the wrong, or the very bad. Eh? Okay, so what are we going to do now? This is more reason you should be in good terms with your mother-in-law. Or someone from your husband's family. Yes. So they can always speak on your behalf. Because this matter is no longer getting, it's not a small case. Just calm down. Calm down. I will try to see you. I will think of something. I'm on the road. Yes. Please just put yourself together. I don't want you to start feeling bad. I'm here for you, Biko. Don't worry, I will call you. Let me think of something.
Like they say, how you make your bed is how you lie on it. What you sow is what you reap. That's exactly what is happening to me. I am responsible for what is happening to me. I was looking out for myself, trying to please myself. Now I realize that there's no gain in causing others pain. Oh, what a shame. Oh, now I have myself to blame because all my efforts have been in vain. Now I feel so much pain. Oh, so much shame. Oh, see what I've done to myself.
I'm not surprised. I know you won't come to see me except you have a problem.
I'm sorry about that, Mama. I know I have not been a good daughter-in-law. But Mama, please, I'm ready to make amends. Please.
It's bad to wake up when it's too late to go to the market and too sunny to go to the farm. I wish you understood what it meant when the cock crows.
I need you to help me. I don't want to lose my husband. He is everything I have, Mama. He's the only thing I have got. I don't want to lose him.
Even before you get married to any man, there is need to make the members of his family your friend. The man you just saw and got married to had people he had been living with since his birth. And these are the people that will show you the roadmap to his heart. You go to the market and you buy some goods that have manuals. That's how your husband's relatives are his manual for you. He has children. You abandoned everybody because you were not wise. Even his own children.
Mama, that is why I'm here. I can't have him bring in another woman to the house. Mama, I don't want it. I can't share my home with another woman. Not with that woman, please.
Are you for real? Hi. I can't ask my son to send her away with my grandchild. My son told me that the girl wants to stay. Besides, his father married 6 wives. Yes, 6.
Mama, this is not fair. That is not enough reason for him to bring in another woman into our home. I don't want it, Mama. Be quiet. I don't want it.
That was how you replaced his first wife. You should know that karma will always come back. Yes, karma does come round. So if you want to fix things, you have to start from the root. You have to start from the root. You know what? My only pain is that my son keep repeating the same mistake his father made. Touch a woman once, she gets pregnant. And the next minute, she's madly in love with you. Is this a spell? Honestly, I have wondered. And I'm still wondering.
Hi, Chimo.
What is that evil woman doing here? She has succeeded in chasing us out from our father's house. She better stay and never come here to bother us.
If that woman knows how much I hate her, she'll never ever in her life think of coming here.
Her wickedness is second to none.
I just want to apologize for everything I did to you too. I'm sorry. I don't even know what came over me. Please, I'm begging you to. I don't know what came over me. I'm really sorry, please.
Please stay away from us. We don't want you. Just stay away from us. That's all. Stay away from us.
Obi,
we don't want you.
Please, I'm begging you to. I'm really sorry. I'm a changed person now, please. Obi,
don't touch me now. Don't touch me.
Oma, please. Oma, please. How did I get here?
back to my account. Oh, yes.
Are you serious?
And he loaded my account with a lot of money.
Hey!
So,
I'm so happy for you.
now I am a millionaire.
You can say, I've always known that you'd be a millionaire. In fact, you've always been a millionaire.
He didn't get there. He didn't end there. He said, if you need anything, just let me know. I'll give you the money.
I mean, that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, you can't be living like a poor girl when your father is very rich.
I know, but is it my fault? It's not my fault. Sometimes you don't scold a child like that. Yes, I've realized I messed up at some point. But we spoke.
Has your father not been talking to you?
He has been talking to me, but babe, there's a way you talk to a child. Seriously. You go talk to him. Yeah. You understand? They shout. You go talk, people get sense. You don't understand?
See my babe. You know what? I can't wait to hear everything. I want to hear everything you guys talked about.
He told me a lot.
Go inside, please.
No problem.
I'm not going out again. No?
You are going out.
Always remember what goes around always comes around. Oh, 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 oh. What you mean me? Oh, the world is a mystery, so think twice.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Mama, Biko, I am sorry.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry, I'm in so much trouble right now, Mama.
I will not allow you to enter this house until you tell the women of this family. You tell the women of this family how you got me and your husband.
Hey, Mama,
leave my house.
So I didn't say that.
Hey!
I didn't say it.
So wait, I am now a liar.
No, Mama, you are not.
Mama. So I'm now a liar. Your punishment will be double. If you ever lie to me, get out of my house.
Mama, please.
Get out of my house. Leave my house.
Mama, Biko.
Get out of my house.
Biko, help me talk to her. Mama, please help me talk to her. Mama,
Wait.
Mama,
Sister. Mama, sister. Mama, please, I am very sorry.
please. I swear to you, I didn't tell a lot of people. It was just a close friend of mine I told. Please, just one person.
A friend of yours? You told a close friend of yours. That close friend of yours will still tell another person. Another person will tell another person. Another person will tell another person. Another person will tell another person. Mama. They will keep on spreading it.
Mama, Biko. I don't even know what the problem is. I don't know what is wrong with me. I think I have a spiritual problem. I don't know what it is.
Hey! You, spiritual problem. You don't have any spiritual problem. You did this to your younger sister. You did it to me, your mother. Mba, this time you have taken more than required. You will tell the others of this community what you did and the name of the spirit that is disturbing you.
Isn't it? She says she is sorry. Please calm down.
Nai, calm down. Calm down, you say? Nai, don't even go there. This is what she's been doing. She will tell the others of this family what happened. And after that, she will go to my father's compound and tell them what she did to me. She wants to rub shame on my face. Let's do it and see what comes out of it. In Anoya, because shut up your mouth.
Mama, see what you are doing yourself. You accuse good people that comes around you.
Mama, Biko.
Never give me farmer.
Mama, Biko. I don't know what came over me. Papa, I'm losing everything, including my home. What? My husband is on the verge of getting married to another woman. Papa.
Wait. Has it gotten to that?
Papa, the woman he got pregnant now lives with us in the same house. My own house, Papa, under the same roof.
My dear, this has gone beyond carefulness. Huh? Okay, what did he tell you? I mean, why will he do a thing like that?
It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I thought I had my husband to myself all alone. He always talks about regretting getting married to a second wife, so I thought we would stick together forever. Papa Biko, I still love my husband. I don't want to lose him. I don't want to lose him.
I will talk to your mother. I will talk to her. We have to do something very, very fast. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I say calm down. Everything will be fine. Calm down.
Babe, I'm happy you are thinking this way. At least you finally stopped jumping from one man to another.
Well, my sister, I'm happy for myself. But the thing is, I really love this guy. I just wish I could marry him. Really.
Wait, you're still bent on forcing yourself on that man?
I am not forcing myself. I've known this man for a very long time now, before we even started dating. And I deliberately kept that pregnancy, and I love him. I love him so, so much.
But babe, you know he is married. I mean, how can you be killing yourself over a married man where there are single men ready to have you as their wife?
Now, this was the reason I had problems with my father. He likes, advising me in a way I do not even understand. He wants to bend me to his own way. And that's not my way of life. I like doing things at my own pace, my time. And, girl, you know me.
Well, you have your life to live. But if you must take my advice, I will advise you should leave that man. Even if you don't want the child, you can leave the child with the man after birth and then do something meaningful with your life.
See, you still don't get the point. I am not with him because I am pregnant. I am with him because I love him. I truly love him. Babe, love from my heart. I'm not faking this. I am really in love with him. And this pregnancy is a deliberate one to hold us together. And I believe in the next, say, 2-3 months, I should be able to let him know that this is not like something to tie him, but I really and I truly love him.
Well, okay. I hope you give me my own part of the money. Like, I want to partake from the millions.
Oh, you see?
No, that's the most important one. No, I don't even want to joke with that one. Please.
Always remember what goes around always comes around. What you mean? Oh, the world is a mystery, so think twice. Don't forget that what you do today will come back to you someday. Someday. Don't forget that what you do today, you will pay for it someday. Someday. See what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself.
Go to your room. Hurry, go to your room. Run. Go to your rooms.
Isabella, what is the meaning of this?
Why is it that whenever you come back home, you always frown your face? At what point are you supposed to get used to the fact that I live here now? What point?
Listen to me, I don't have a problem with you being in this house, but I have a problem with you smoking in front of my kids.
For goodness sake, will I be the first person to... Why are you acting like this? So, I am now spoiling your children. That's what you're saying. Sweetheart, I am not the first person they will ever see smoking, and I will not be the last.
Now listen and listen good. Isabella, I clearly understand that you're here to destroy my family, but I won't let you do that. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Else, I'll leave this house for you. And listen to me, in this house I have laws. You must abide to them. But if you can't, then get out!
Always remember what goes around always comes around. Oh, 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 oh. What you mean me? Oh, the world is a mystery, so think twice. Che, 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 che. Don't forget that what you do today will come back to you someday.
What are you doing here? Please, I don't need you in this room. Go back to where you're coming from.
Asubike, please. Can you stop sending me away? Please. You cannot doubt my love. I truly love you. I truly love you.
What? You said what? Are you out of your mind? You love who? I am a married man. Even if I wasn't, I can't be with you. I can't be with a prostitute like you.
Asubike, I promise to change. I am willing to change. And you can change me.
I can't... What? Listen, what do I tell my wife? What do you want me to tell my wife? I don't need a second wife. Okay? You can't even be my girlfriend.
But I am carrying your child.
This is a mistake.
Make the mistake again.
No! Listen to me. It was a mistake. I was wrong.
Drink again, Asubike.
You must be out of your mind. Listen, you're so dirty. I can't even look at you. What the hell am I doing with you? Leave my room.
Asubike, please.
I said leave. You know what? I'll just leave for you.
Asubike.
Nine. You see this very thing that she did to me, even though she is my daughter. First thing tomorrow morning, I am going to report her to the elders and the umada of this family.
You know I don't support her. Yes, but reporting her to the people will cause more problem to this family.
Nine. She did not thought of that when she did what she did to me. Now you are begging me to forgive her.
Yes, so you have to forgive her because she's your daughter. Huh? Like I said, reporting her to the people is like you washing our dirty linen outside. Secondly, she's about to lose her home. So it's supposed to be a sleepless night to us. Huh? We have to show her love.
But have you called her husband to find out? Have you done that?
Yes, I did. But he said that the girl will stay with them until she gives birth.
I said it. I said it. What made Anurika to leave her husband and spend a night here? Must be a serious case.
See, since she came to this place, she has never been herself. Yes, it is obvious that she is going through serious depression. I think that is enough punishment. So adding another punishment might even lead her to harm herself. Can I show quiet love? Yes.
I have lost everything. I have lost everyone I love. I don't want to lose you. I'm sorry. Biko.
You will not lose me. You will not. I want you to change this your lifestyle. But you didn't listen to me. Now look at where it landed you. It's okay, I've forgiven you.
Mama.
I've forgiven you, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, stand up, stand up. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. I love you. I love you. I love you so much.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop. Stop crying. It's okay. I've forgiven you. You are my daughter. Oh, Nemo. It's okay. Oh, my mom.
Baby, you're still here. Let's go to bed.
What did you say?
I said, let's go to bed.
Don't say that to me again. Listen. Listen, I know you're here to destroy my family. Okay? But I know what to do.
How can you say this? I will forgive you because I truly love you. Babe, you know I love you. Stop saying this thing you say.
Stop that. I'm very sure that thing you're carrying is not my child.
Asubike, why are you doing this to me? Why? Asubike, please, I'm begging you. I'm so horny. I don't know how to survive.
Please don't touch me now. Don't touch me. You can talk without touching me.
Okay. Let's just have this.
What? What did you say? You must be out of your mind. Listen, I don't sleep with drug addicts. Okay? I don't do that. I'm sorry.
Okay, just touch me. Just think it. Just touch me, please. I don't know how to survive.
Hey, listen. Go back to the hotel where you belong. Those brotels, go back there.
You go begin fear. Someone will worry you so much you go one disappear. All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher.
Azubike. Alpha. Azubike, what are you doing to yourself? Can't you see that life is going out of you?
Emeka, what I'm going through right now is enough to take my life.
What are you saying? Yeah? You are gradually becoming different from the man I used to know. For days now you have been coming to work, but you have not been doing anything.
I'm sorry, Emeka. I can't seem to get hold of my emotions.
As we can see, you are sitting on a company worth millions. You just have to heal yourself before you land us into trouble.
I'm trying, Emeka. But I can't seem to understand why these things are happening to me. This is how I lost my first wife, Uju. This girl is making life unbearable for me.
See, Azubike, this is reality. You have made the mistake. All you need to do is to move on and learn from it. Just move on.
Let's see. Some time ago, you were saying something about one lady. I can't remember, something about herbs that she can help me in the process of stopping smoking, addiction and all of that.
You mean a boga process?
You said something like that, so it can help me stop smoking. I need to quit smoking.
Wait, are you serious?
Stop now, yes.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's just for me to get the right address and contacts necessary.
Okay, send it for me. That's why I came.
Hey, God has finally answered my prayer. Like, you don't understand how happy I am.
Before you start prayer section now, can you just send it?
I will.
Send.
Like, you stop smoking for real?
I'm stopping. I'm stopping.
I'm sending you the number right away.
Like they say, how you make your bed is how you lie on it. What you sow is what you reap. That's exactly what is happening to me.
I'll be traveling. I'll stay away for like, say, 2-3 days. I'll call you.
You can stay away forever. I really don't care anymore.
Okay, but I'll let you know when I arrive still.
Oh, what a shame. Oh, now I have myself to blame because all my efforts have been in vain. Now I feel
I have spoken to your husband, but he is not sounding convincing. You, what do you want?
I can't live in that house with that woman. I can't share the same roof with her. If she's not going to leave, then I'll just go there, pack my things and leave.
Good. I don't think you should live with that girl. Yes, because some girls can do unbelievable things. I don't want anything to happen to my grandchildren or you either.
It's exactly the same thing I'm saying. I'm scared. I need to take my children out of that place. I don't want anything to happen to me or my kids.
But I don't want you to make a move until we have a meeting with him. You can go home and meet your kids. Huh? But I don't want you to leave that place at all. Leaving that place is dangerous.
Lucy, thank you so much. You know, this Iboga thing, it really, really worked.
It's okay. You're welcome. You know, when I read about people talking about the efficacy of the medicine, I knew it's something you should try out. So I'm happy.
My sister, it worked though. I mean, I wouldn't have done all this without you. Thank you so much. I appreciate totally.
You're welcome. I mean, enough of the thanks. So, tell me, what do you want to do now? Do you still want to go back to that house?
Yeah, but I'll still try to let him know that I really love him. But if that doesn't work, then I have no option than to leave.
You really do still love this man?
Lucy, let's not go back there. Let's not talk about this again. You already know. I love him and I still love him. Yes.
Okay, enough of all this. So tell me, what business would you like to invest your money on?
What I know how to do before my brother died. I have to go back to it.
You mean yes?
Of course, yes.
That'd be cool. At least I'll be getting food.
You know, good. A lot of supply.
Like,
a lot.
My wardrobe. It's time to change my wardrobe. Anyway, I'm so happy to see you.
Bro, what's up? Were you able to trace the money? For where? Not at all.
Hey! I'm finished.
You just signed away 250 million. Do you know what that means? You have just ended our company. 250 million.
Hey! What have I done? What was I thinking? I trusted the guy.
Azubike, do you know your problem? You were not focusing. Your focus and your emotion were divided. You were not concentrating. Now you have used your family problem to destroy the business that we have been building for long. I'm just tired.
I don't know how I made this mistake. Emeka, can we do something? Anything at all? Let's do something.
What are we going to do? You are the CEO of the company. I try my best to caution you. Now you have ended our struggle by yourself. I've been talking to you since all this while. Look at it now. Where are we going to start from? Where do we start from now? Hey, 250 million.
It's okay, it's enough, it's enough.
Don't tell me it's enough. We are talking about money here. This is 250 million we are talking about. You just folded our company. Where are we going to start from?
Everything I have labored for, gone down the drain in a twinkle of an eye. How?
I said it. I said it. How do you have angels and devil under the same roof? It doesn't work. Since this witch came into this house, it's been from top to bottom. Everything has been declining. How do you keep this kind of, this in our own home? And you expect everything to go fine? Mbano, it will not happen.
Madam, nobody is apportioning blame on anybody here. We are not here to accuse anybody. This discussion now is for solution.
What solution? Oh, so you know what solution is? Yet you left your very perfect life, came into my home, balanced here, and now you are giving me, telling me about solution. God punish you there. Azubike, if you know you want to have a proper discussion, let's look for a solution to this problem of yours. Come upstairs, meet me in the room, and then we will talk. What's the solution? Nonsense. I think I'm waiting for you upstairs.
I have an idea that can help your company. That is, if you're going to listen to me.
Help my company?
Yes.
I don't mind. Anything to help me bounce back.
Okay. I'm going to discuss with my other brother and my uncle if they could partner with you in your business.
You're going to do that?
Yes.
Wow. Can you do that?
I can. On only one condition.
Which is?
Yes, Azubike, we have our differences. Can we keep that aside and face business? Can I trust you?
Of course you can trust me. I've been a businessman and I take business very seriously.
Okay, promise me you are going to be transparent to me. You're going to be very transparent in this business and to my family.
Listen, like I said, I've been a businessman for a while. And I promise you, I'll be transparent and I'll do anything you want me to do.
That's fine. It's obvious I'm no longer needed in this house. I'm not welcome. By this time next week, I should be leaving.
Who says you're not welcome? Says who? Listen, this house belongs to you. You need to feel at home. Besides, you're carrying my child. Okay?
Are you sure?
Of course, I am.
So, Azuke, has the criminal been found?
No, not yet. Emeka, I suspect that guy is diabolic. And I don't think anyone can catch him.
But you sounded so excited, as if the money has been returned.
Well, that's because I have good news for you.
So what is the good news?
So Isabella introduced me to a big, wealthy businessman. And after a very long meeting, he promised to do business with me.
Wow.
Yes.
This is great.
She also introduced me to a very big firm. Yes, and that firm promised to give me a loan.
Imagine the Isabella we are calling a demon is now a messiah. Ha!
You know, I spoke to Angolika about my predicament, and I expected her to contribute positively, but she had nothing to say.
What do you want her to do? You know, she's not as rich as Isabella.
Money is not everything. I actually expected her to contribute verbally or, you know, advise me positively. Just say something that can encourage me, but nothing.
Well, let's forget about Angolika for now. Let's talk about our company. Where are we going to start from?
Give me a second. Hello? Is it ready? Okay.
Man, this is a good news, though. This is a very good news. Hey.
Now, this is the production point. If you look at the left-hand side, this is the distribution point. Do you understand? So now you really need to concentrate on this distribution point so we can get more products.
Awesome. I thought I knew this, but apparently I have to learn.
But you understand what I'm saying?
No, I do understand.
See what I've done to myself. Before you do anything in life,
Construction, distribution,
and this whole area now get the products.
Especially
beautiful.
if someone will get hurt. Think twice.
Forget the looks on this.
Right.
Oh, think twice.
Amazing.
Always remember.
Since she helped him revive his business, he has totally turned his attention to her.
This is really painful, you know. Very, very painful. But it's a shame. It's a shame that a beautiful and a wealthy girl like her would prefer to settle for a third wife. Some girls are desperate, Sha.
At this point, I just have to accept reality. My home is gone. My fears has finally happened.
Angoli, you know, if you ask me, I would say this is karma. Yes. Now you know exactly how it feels to snatch another woman's husband. You can see it.
I think I owe you an apology.
Yes, you do.
Now I understand what I made that woman go through. I need to apologize to her.
Yes, You need to ask her for forgiveness. Let her forgive you. I'm very, very sure she might have said something. Yes. Karma never forgets.
Isabella, you brought me so much joy in a short period of time to my life. Made me richer in a short period of time. Sometimes I ask myself, what do you really want from me?
You. I don't need anything from you. Azubike, all I want is you. I truly love you, for real, I do.
Angolika is my second wife.
I already know that. Your first wife remarried and she left the kids with your mother in the village. Azubike, I do not mind being your third wife. Honestly, I don't know why this is happening, but it's happening. I don't mind if you bring your kids. They can come and stay here with me. I love children, you know that. I promise you, I will take care of your kids the way I will treat mine.
You already know that.
Yes.
Isabella, the question is, with your influence, why pick me? Why pick me?
I don't even know myself. Like, after the night we met, I just became so obsessed with you. I can't place my hands on anything. I can't even figure out anything. All I know is I love you.
I love you too. The feelings are mutual.
What are you doing here? Please. I have come to apologize to you. I was very young and naive. I didn't even know I was living on the fast lane. I just want to change my routes. Whatever it is you want to do to me. Beat me, hit me, flog me, do whatever it is. I just want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
Honestly, I don't know what you're doing here because I hold nothing against you. Nothing at all.
Uju, please. The same way I took you home, another woman has taken over.
Are you serious? So, what happened?
He got another woman pregnant and brought her into our home.
Oh my goodness. That's really sad. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm just asking for forgiveness,
okay.
Please.
No,
please.
Get up, it's okay.
Please.
You see, when I asked questions about his family, and I heard that they always marry more than one wife, so that was enough courage I needed to move on.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, it's fine.
I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry.
Stop, it's okay, it's okay. You actually made me a better person, you know that. It's
so
okay. It's okay,
So
it's
sorry.
okay.
Especially someone will get hurt. Think twice. Oh, think twice. Always remember what goes around always comes around.
Where are you going? You going somewhere?
I'm leaving. Sabiki, how could you treat me this way? What wrong did I do to you? And I'm still wondering how it took me this long to realize the kind of human being you are. You're so happy with me being here, sad like this. I need to find peace.
You pushed me. And I want to believe you're happy.
That's the reason I want to leave.
So where are you going? Where are you leaving to?
Somewhere not too far. These kids will attend the same school. I found a house close to my shop.
Are you still my wife?
Madam, please don't do this. Don't do it. Aye! Madam! Oh, man, we're not going to do nothing. Don't do this. Are you trying to tell me that at this junction you want to let her win you? Hey, man. Who is going to take care of your children? Eh? Who are you leaving your children for? Amalmele should take care of children. No. Madam, don't do this. I don't know how to take care of children. Why are you leaving it for? Balono. Yala si obulo gwole. Look at your wonderful children. Your baby.
What you sow is what you reap. That's exactly what is happening to me. I am responsible for what is happening to me. I was looking out for myself, trying to please myself. Now I realize that there's no gain in causing others pain. Oh, what a shame. Oh, now I have myself to blame because all my efforts have been in vain. Now I feel so much pain. Oh, so much shame. Oh, see what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself. Before you do anything in life, che.